In this table reading question, we are presented with a dense table full of data and have 7 minutes to answer 40 questions. In each question, we are tasked with locating specific information quickly and accurately. If you're feeling overwhelmed looking at this mass amount of data, that's okay, as this question is designed to look complicated. Before we look at the questions, let's focus on the table for a moment. We'll start by identifying the horizontal x-axis and the vertical y-axis, which allows us to understand each question. We'll also locate the point 0, 0. By identifying the central point, we can divide the table into quadrants, meaning we only need to check 1/4 of the table for any question. Moving over to the questions, question 1 is -1, -1. So we're focused on the bottom left quarter, and our answer is option D, 12. The second is +3, 0, which is in the top right. We can see +3 is the last column, and we already know where 0 is, leading us to 13. +2 is in the top right and is 11. 0 minus 3 is in the bottom left. And like before, we see -3 is in the last row, and we know where 0 is, making 11 our answer. And our last question is -2 plus 1 in the top left quarter, and the answer is option E, 15. Shifting over to additional tips and strategies, use both hands and make one a pointer. Whether it's your finger or a pen, follow up the axes along. It may look bizarre, but prevent you getting confused, and you won't have to memorize both row and column. And to further help remember, say the question out loud. Using multiple senses increases our ability to remember, and it keeps us focused given the time pressure. Don't double check. Once you found the correct value, immediately move on. You don't have time to double check, and it just make you anxious and start second guessing yourself. And our final tip is about preparation and practice. Unlike most questions where you should take a few practice tests, you are unlikely to have trouble finding the answer. The trick is finding it quickly and accurately. So I suggest you practice by answering questions individually. Answer one question, go for a walk. Answer another, then leave again. This builds your speed and ability to find the answer quickly without sacrificing accuracy. By applying these strategies, identifying axes, locating 0, 0, using pointers, vocalizing numbers, not double checking, and practicing strategically, you'll master table reading questions with confidence and efficiency. Remember to practice, and see you in the next video.